Free your audience of sitting through the tyranny of simple, plain, and boring slides. Transform their experience of watching your presentations, convey your message in a compelling way, and win clients. How? With SlideTeam's unlimited collection of pre-designed and well-researched presentation templates, guides, proposals, dashboards, themes, and diagrams, you can deliver a top-notch presentation regardless of your industry. You get structure, content, and design all at one place. That's right. SlideTeam offers a wide range of off-the-shelf PowerPoint templates across verticals and industries such as digital marketing, finance, HR, technology, and more. So, what are you waiting for? Head to SlideTeam and grab 20% off on our templates to create and deliver amazing presentations. SlideTeam, one-stop solution for all your presentation needs.